Hi, my name is Dakshayani and I study from Kuo Chuan Presbyterian Secondary School. I got to know through another tuition center while I was studying chemistry tuition at Achiever Dream. They recommended me to come to this tuition center as my result was quite bad. I was not doing well. I find it quite interesting because how they teach the question was different compared to how they teach in school. I find it quite interesting, especially when they tell stories during the questions and they tell the stories which actually give me general knowledge, and also like I realized how I can relate the story to the question, make me understand the question better. Wow, I received a lot of material. I think my class was quite great. But material was very helpful actually because I think I learned certain skills in it, certain traits which I did not even taught in school, which actually made me memorize better because I have a poor memory actually. When we have the last time we feel very energetic, we try to study harder. Each lesson I go, I realize when I come back, I can remember clearly because most tuition lessons I go to, I really can't remember when I come back after the lesson. But especially when I come from this tuition, then I come back, I'm able to remember exactly what I learned here. Due to the stories you tell, the tricks, easily enter my mind which makes me do my work easily also. I definitely would recommend to my friends that you will go in POA because especially the friends I know, they actually also find the lessons boring, so don't really absorb the lesson in class. So each tuition actually provide what their needs actually because you want to entertain most of the time. So this tuition during the POA actually really entertained me mostly the whole lesson, don't really feel bored easily at all. They made me help me achieve my goal for my A level. I've got a decision and I'm happy with it. Thank you, Ace, your POA, and thank you, Mr. Quack.